We are looking at how to pronounce this word and the interesting story around whether or not the P should be pronounced or not in this case. So, apoptosis, it can be said that way, is the death of cells. So, do you pronounce the P or not? Here's the story. The Australian pathologist who penned the word back in 1972 said that the word comes from the combination of two Greek words, apo, meaning away, off, apart, and tosis, meaning falling. He used it because it describes the petals of flowers that die off, the apo part, and then the tosis part, meaning that they fall, they separate from the plant. Right? When you have those two words separated, apo and tosis, when you have the tosis part meaning falling, the P is not to be pronounced. So John Kerr, back in 72, said this should be said apoptosis, apoptosis, from this combination of Greek words. But in 1994, the Oxford English Dictionary said that the silent P is neither correct nor attractive, because if you read those two words and you put them together in Greek, one after the other in a single word, like apoptosis, then if you combine the two words, then the P becomes not silent, is to be pronounced. So that's why the apoptosis, or I should say apoptosis really, because it's stress on the third syllable, apoptosis is the most common pronunciation today, because the Oxford Dictionary said that it's actually better and a little more correct to say apoptosis. That said, the inventor of the word, the creator of the word, said that it is to be said apoptosis. So in conclusion, the two pronunciations are correct. So you can use whichever you like best. And now you know. I hope this video was useful. Let me know in the comments. And more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.